To create a successful business on the Walmart Marketplace in 2024, you'll need to follow these steps and consider the investment requirements. Start by researching the market, identifying profitable product categories, and analyzing your competition. This step doesn't require any investment, but will help you understand the necessary capital needed for your business. Register your business, obtain an employer identification number, EIN, and set up a business bank account. This process may require a small investment for professional assistance or filing fees. Register on the Walmart Marketplace and prepare to pay a registration fee, which can vary depending on the type of seller account you choose. Purchase products to sell on the platform. You'll need to invest in inventory, which can vary depending on the products and quantities you choose. Create a professional website and establish your brand identity. This may require an investment in web design, hosting, and marketing materials. Create optimized product listings on the Walmart Marketplace, including high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. You may need to invest in professional photography and copywriting services. Promote your products through various channels, including social media, paid ads, and email marketing. Set aside a budget for marketing and advertising expenses. Ensure timely order fulfillment and provide excellent customer support. You may need to invest in warehouse space, shipping supplies, and potentially hiring staff. Manage your taxes and accounting responsibilities. You may need to invest in accounting software or hire an accountant for professional assistance. Monitor your business performance and make necessary adjustments to improve your success. This may include investing in new products, marketing strategies, or technology. The total investment required will depend on various factors, such as the type of products you sell, the size of your inventory, your marketing strategies, and the resources you need to manage your business. It's essential to create a budget and plan for these expenses to ensure a successful start on the Walmart Marketplace.